Welcome to this tutorial video for Year 7 Composition. In this video, we will be looking at Goal 3, the ability to create staggered texture and feature each musician. Firstly, save your work with your name, song, class, and Goal 3. The next step will involve creating staggered entries which alters the texture of the piece. But what are staggered entries? Staggered entries are when instruments enter at different times. This allows for a piece to be more interesting. Usually the introduction features this technique to build up that interest. To alter the texture of the introduction, listen to all of the tracks and decide on which track you would want to begin your introduction. Select the other tracks and then move the cursor to the point at which you want them to enter. Select Command-T or go to the Edit Split Regions at Playhead. You can then delete the part just before where you split the region. Experiment with the entries of all the instruments, and when you are happy with your introduction, show your work to your teacher. Try to have each instrument entering at a different time. To alter the texture of the outro, listen to the end section or outro of your rock song and try to make the instruments end at different times using the same techniques as in the introduction. As an extension activity, you can see if you can change the texture in the middle of the piece by reducing or increasing the texture. You can do this by removing or adding in instruments. For example, you might add more instruments in the chorus compared to the verse. Finally, show your work to your teacher and send them an email with your work.